श्री गुरवे नमः। यस्यात् कदापि वसनाञ्चलखेलनोत्थ धन्यातिधन्यपवनेन कृतार्थमानि योगीन्द्रदुर्गमगतिर्मधुसूदनोऽपि तस्या नमोऽस्तु वृषभानुभुवो दिशेऽपि। First of all, we have to understand what is being spiritual. The opposite word of spiritual is material. Spiritual in Sanskrit is called as adhyatma. Means for us, if for us the object of relish is the spirit, then it is called as spiritual path. What do you mean by modern world? Modern world is where we have developed a society based on science, technology and use of all these machinery, gadgets and all these things. Now this is the world that we have created for ourselves based on science and technology, and the culture is called as consumer culture. Now the object of all this activity that we are doing is to produce as much wealth as possible in order to take pleasure from this material world. Now if your focus is to relish pleasure of the material world, then it can never be spiritual. It is only material. Now since we have already created this material world, the question comes that shall we all live this modern kind of life and go to some caves or forests to practice spiritual world? It is not necessary, because we have to do all these things. Whatever society that we have established, we have to live in this society only, and we need all these things for our survival. But we should never be attached to all these things. If we get attached to all these things, then the only goal of our life becomes producing wealth to relish the material world. In this material world we can be spiritual if we understand that we are the Atmas and we belong to the God, and our object of love can only be God, and we can get bliss only if we relish the love of God. So if we can maintain this temperament and be attached to the God and carry on our activities in the material world, then we can be spiritual.